Hey, welcome back to another video, another unboxing video, that is. PetrolBox for July. Let's see what we got in here this month. Now, you always got that. The list of everything that's in here. Jack's Wax Total Interior. I'm gonna open this up and see what this smells like. It's always good to have some interior. No, it doesn't say, but I'll open it up and check. Scotch and Iron. I think I received one of their t-shirts in a previous box. Got a microfiber for the total interior. What is that? Rag Company edgeless microfiber. Then a Scotch and Iron t-shirt. Drive more, work less. And that's the front of it. And the back just has Scotch and Iron on it. Oh no, I'm sorry. This is the front. And the other side is the back. So this is the back of the shirt. Little spray bottle, well, spray top, sprayer. PetrolBox subscriber of the month. Nice Civic drag car for July 2018. Race car things. There's a PetrolBox air freshener. They had a t-shirt, black and red t-shirt that came out a couple months back in one of their boxes. And then the Scotch and Iron little postcard with 25% off discount. And as always, candy. Well, this is, oh, let me see what this smells like. I don't know what it smells like. All I know is it smells clean. I'll be trying this out on my car, see how it works out. So the Jackson Wax Total Interior with the spray bottle, the microfiber from the Rag Company, Scotch and Iron hat with the matching t-shirt, candy, 25% off coupon, a race car things, air freshener, and I believe it's a vanilla air freshener, then a PetrolBox sticker, and that's it. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you can, check out my other videos, like, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.